What's going on, guys? Sam with Real Legit Fishing here, back with another video. And today is the day before our third high school bass fishing tournament, November 13th. We're gonna go out and do some pre-fishing and get prepared for tomorrow. Alright, well, I just got out of my dad's office. We're gonna get the boat and I get out on the water. It's a little more windy than we expected, so hopefully everything turns out pretty good and then we find a pretty good pattern for tomorrow. Now, one new thing we're gonna try this go around is this smaller bone colored chug bug, this little pop-ar style, a little less commotion, and it's gonna match our bait size a little better. Alright, so right now I'm pretty sure the plan is we're gonna go and stop by Oakwood Bait and Tackle, and then we're gonna go pre-fishing and head to one of my dad's good friends' boathouse, so that makes it easier for tournament morning. We're gonna drive the boat over to the boat ramp. Good looking spy bait right here. Alright, we're finishing up in Oakwood. Got some small little bone colored pop-ars. Got a few little mini-me spinner baits and a couple other things, but it's really windy out here. The conditions really aren't ideal for fishing and really aren't what they're gonna be tomorrow. But either way, we're gonna head out and do some fishing. Alright, I'm gonna grab me some warmer clothes before we head out. Alright, well, we got the boat put in, and I'm gonna switch to GoPro and we'll get to fishing. It's cold. It's cold. Yeah, I definitely hope the wind calms down before tomorrow. Last tournament, when the wind started blowing, we switched over to this whopper plopper and did some good, so we're gonna try it out today and see if it'll produce. How'd they do with the guide? Oh! Dad, why'd you do that? There we go, guys, first fish of the day. Rudder's on this shaky head right here. Fishing this cliff on the top side of it. There we go. Alright, we've been here for about 2 hours now. Have 3 bites, it's a hard north wind, and right on the front face of a big cold front. The fish are really scattered out. So trying a few new things, try and find a pattern for tomorrow. Right now I'm gonna try this Arashi crankbait. Nice little fish. That fish should keep. There we go. Throwing this crankbait out on a long running point. First cast at this spot. So we're gonna hang around here for a little bit longer and see if we can get any more fish.
Patrick Smith is a 6'1" sophomore from Montezuma, Georgia. Like this at corner, Malcolm Parrish, a 5'10" junior, 185 pounds. He is from Quitman, Georgia. The other corner, DeAndre Baker. Baker got his first career last week in Lexington against the Wildcats. He's a 5'11", 180 pounds.
Biggest freaking bass I've ever seen in daylight. We're starting to find a bit of a pattern out here fishing some long running points with this blueback colored Arashi crankbait. This thing dives about 17 feet deep. We're fishing about 15-foot water and just banging this thing off the bottom. We hooked 3 fish, caught 2 of them. The one we hooked, I think, might have been the biggest fish I've ever hooked out here on Lake Lanier. But we're gonna grind through this cold and windy weather, and hopefully we keep producing some fish. Go guys, 4 pounds, 2 ounces. Let's have the stud go. Man, what a stud. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. At the end of the day, we found a pattern that we're pretty confident in for tomorrow for our 3rd high school bass fishing tournament. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys next time.